So hey guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are staying and stay positive. So today topic we are going to check for the July month of overall your love life and career, how it could be goes for the water sign, for Pisces, Cancer and Scorpio. So this is my sign as well, like for the water sign. I'm a water element. So I'm super excited like what will be happen on my July month. So let's see guys like what will be happen on our July month in overall aspects of love life and career. So let's start the reading now. Okay, I get 2 cards. So I think I get some kind of extra cards as well. So bottom of the deck I have the 2 of Wands. I think some kind of waiting game is still going on in your life. Yeah, the 3 of Swords. Okay, 3 of Swords. The first card is 3 of Swords. Again the 4 of Swords. Yes guys, I can see. And the third card is the Moon, and the fourth card is the Hermit. Okay. So for the water sign, I think the July month will not be that much favorable month overall in your love life and career, whatever the situations could be. This is a time for you to take some kind of rest. You should need to be healed first of all, because I think already there is a lot of blockages is going on your way with the 3 of Swords. I can see that clearly, very clearly. The person you have been trusting overall in your personal life or professional things, family things, or else in your love relationship, whatever the condition could be. I can see with the 3 of Swords here that it will be create some kind of painful moment in your life. I hope it may already been happen. You are already going through in this kind of situation, because whatever you are expecting from other person, they will definitely gonna hurt you. Okay. And I think you are already going on this kind of situation. So because with the 4 of Swords energy, I can see that like in this July month you are not going to take any kind of actions, because you know that you are already like lose your power. So I don't think that you will become a very powerful, and you will try to be fight for the situations, or else you want some kind of clarity. I can't able to see any kind of actions over here. Okay, so all I can see is some kind of resting, and it's some kind of healing journey here. Okay, and I think this could be the right thing to be do in this July month, because overall I can see that whatever the expectation you're keeping in your love life or career over any person, or else in your career, in your job, whatever it could be, I think the expectation cannot be met in this July month. Okay, because something is being like very secretive. Again the Moon card is here. Something is being like a very secretive for you. So you are going into the dark night of the soul, and the spiritual healing is very, very important for you guys in this time. Because when I see the Hermit energy, so this person is seeking for the light over here. So I can see that each and every card shows that very dark energy, and with the Hermit card we can see that this person is finding some kind of light. So this person is praying, this person is seeking some kind of help from his higher guidance, from his higher self. Okay, so you should need to be focused on for your inner peace. You should need to be focused on the spiritual journey. Just go to the temple, just visit the temple, or else try to do some kind of prayers. Try to connect with your spirit guide, try to connect with the higher self, the universe, so that can brings you some kind of peace, inner peace in your life. Because all I can see, to be honest, to be very clear, to be very frank, I want to say that whatever you are expecting in this month will definitely not bring any kind of progress. There will again be some kind of stuck energy will be there with the 2 of Staffs. So with the 2 of Staffs, I can again say that there will be some kind of waiting game will be there, and you will try to be focused on something, but there will not be any kind of rebuildingness will be happen. Okay, so you should need to be maintain a low key in this July month. So Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio people, don't expect anything in this month to anybody, and please maintain a low key, because if at all you expect something bigger, I don't think so that will be some kind of progress will be there. Rather than, you can please focus on your spiritual journey, you can please focus on your inner healing, because you should need to be focused on your shadow side. with the Three of Swords and with the Moon card, I can again clearly see that you should need to be focused on your shadow side. Some person may help you to come out from this dark night of the soul, but still you should need to be focused on your inner self, because that makes you confident. Okay, so guys, please focus on yourself rather than focusing on other thing or other person. So just maintain a low key in this July month, and please don't expect anything from anybody, and please don't expect anything from yourself as well, because things will not be that much good in this July month. So this could be a warning sign. I'm so sorry for the water sign, because I'm also water sign, so this is again a guidance for me. So whatever the thing could be for the healing journey, you should need to be reach out to your spirit guide. Okay, so that brings you some kind of clarity, and that brings you some kind of light in your life. Okay, so please focus on it. So this is the message I can see here. So I hope this could be resonating with you guys, and yeah, so you will be have some kind of you will be take some kind of precaution for your life. I hope so. So please take care. Don't be negative, try to be positive, because I know that water sign will be very intuitive kind of person. So please focus on your spiritual life, so that it will bring some kind of positive changes in your life. Okay, so and maintain a low key as well. So this is my guidance: maintain a low key and try to be positive by doing prayers and connect with your spiritual guide. Okay, so see you guys in the next reading. Until that, love you all, take care, bye bye.